Here's a pair of Skullycandy Hesh ANC Bluetooth headphones. I'm going to show you how to perform a factory reset on these, okay? So you may want to do a factory reset maybe because you can't connect to a device, or maybe it's not working, or one side is low volume or whatnot. So let's go and factory reset these, okay? So very simple. So first thing is, these are currently off. I'm going to turn these on, okay? So the power button is right here. Let me just press and hold for a few seconds. Power on, okay? So the power on. Oh, it says connected. It's probably connected to one of my devices. But anyway, let's go ahead and do factory reset. So now while it's on, we're going to press and hold two buttons now. It's going to be the power button and the volume down at the same time. Press and hold for about 3 seconds until it flashes purple like twice here, okay? Volume down, power. Ready, set, go. Right there, that's it. Disconnected. Now it's said pairing, and it is in pairing mode right there. So it's blinking blue and red, it's in pairing mode, okay? So for instance, let me go to my Android phone here, go to settings, go to Bluetooth. And now under available devices, because it's in pairing mode, under available devices, it should show everything that's in pairing mode, that's in close proximity of your phone, okay? But it's not showing up on mine. But remember, it said connected before because it's paired to my Android phone here. It was paired to here, and then we did a factory reset. So what we have to do is click on the little settings here on the Hesh, and we need to go ahead and unpair. If you have an iPhone, you would forget device. Unpair, right there. And now you see available devices. Now it shows back up, and now I can just go ahead and reconnect. Pair again. All right? Questions or issues? Comment below.